RCS is we're a small community-based company. We're a community interest company. We're based in Rhyl, but we operate across parts of North Wales. And our mission is to bring together partners from across the area to tackle unemployment and economic inactivity specifically. So it's about developing solutions to local unemployment and problems with helping people get back to work.
People have got to have the opportunity to start off in a business and be able to move on. And so for us, not just in Taste, but for the work that we do with Open Doors and RCS, we believe in training the staff because they're able then to train the next person as well. It's a great opportunity to be able to give somebody to learn and to move on. And it makes them feel more fulfilled and more confident.
And the learning has been brilliant because I've done NEBOSH in health and wellbeing, counselling courses, leadership management, HR, and so things like employment law in a supporting role, advice and guidance. It's been good for me, it's been good for the people that I work with as well as the company, so I see it as a win-win.
I do stuff for Open Doors, Fit for Work and the core team is RCS, and I've started to help out with the accounts, which I never thought I would have been doing, but with all the training I think it's helped me a lot.
Having staff with a variety of skills is good for us, but also it's good for the member of staff to keep them motivated and kind of to have a thirst for knowledge or a thirst for continuous development. I think is good for everybody.
We feel within the organisation that we're doing a good job in terms of supporting staff to learn and develop. I think to have that external recognition and to have that sort of nod of approval really that what you're doing really is good practice felt like a really tremendous boost both for myself and I think for the whole team, the whole board, everyone who puts the effort into making those opportunities a reality for staff. It really has meant a tremendous amount to the organisation.